Next couple of days will be crucial for travelers, whether you're trying to leave the region or get back. Let's get the latest forecast from Nathan.
Yeah, Andrea, we're watching the system very carefully, but the good news is you can see a lot of traffic there on I-29 here from our Luther Family Ford Skycam. Not too much going on for this evening, at least not for another couple of hours. Still watching some isolated to scattered snow showers for the overnight hours. We can see traffic is flowing nicely there, and things are busy out there. I was just driving around and just a few hours ago and did see a lot more traffic this time of hour than I usually would at around 9 o'clock. So yeah, but good news is, of course, those road conditions look just fine. Here's the look at the satellite radar. You can see that kind of spotty blue heading toward Beltrami County. Didn't see any surface reports of anything actually falling from these, so may still see a few rogue flurries really anywhere under these clouds, but not looking at anything too impactful. The impactful weather is off toward Bismarck, where there is some freezing precipitation causing some slippery roadways out between, say, Glen Ullin and Glendive. To give a report on Facebook from someone traveling from Glendive to Bismarck, and did see some slippery roadways there. So that's going to be the same kind of pattern that's moving toward us. It's kind of some patchy freezing rain, freezing drizzle moving in, but that won't be until the morning hours tomorrow. So that could cause, of course, some issues if you're trying to get out early. They could encounter some slippery sidewalks and roadways. The winter storm watch is going from Friday at lunchtime through lunchtime on Sunday. So Friday to Sunday, this is for most of the area here in yellow, expecting a winter storm conditions, which could, of course, cause those dangerous travel conditions and difficult travel. And then, of course, the winter storm warning is in these counties that were excluded from the winter storm watch because they have been upgraded to that warning. And so, of course, those folks in Bismarck are seeing that freezing rain as we speak. And, of course, that wintry precipitation is looking to move toward our neck of the woods with this next system. So you can see by the hour on the hour by hour here, just a few scattered snow showers and maybe some drizzle as well as we head through the 4:30 a.m. hour. Temperatures actually rise a little bit to the lower to middle 20s from where they were a few hours ago. And we see by 7:30 a.m. some scattered snow showers. So again, just enough to perhaps cause some slippery roadways here across the Red River Valley, but temperatures do warm slowly to around that freezing mark by lunchtime. And we can see plenty of clouds, even some patchy fog hanging on in the morning hours. And of course, there's possibility of some freezing rain or some scattered snow showers, so still could be slippery here at the lunchtime hour as temperatures will be right below that freezing point. But look at this. This is 5 o'clock. This is dinner time on Friday. Watch this start to move up. That's that system we've been watching. And so after about dinner time, we're going to start to see conditions deteriorating from south to north. And then things will become a bit more dicey as we head through the day on Saturday. But for tomorrow, again, temperatures right around that freezing mark or slightly below it. Middle 20s for our friends there in the Devil's Lake Basin when everything's said and done come tomorrow afternoon. So here's the two models we like to look at when it comes to predicting snowfall. So this Colorado low motors on out of Colorado, and this is late on Friday. We're going to start to see those snow showers moving up from the south. Could, of course, see some of that wintry mix or that freezing rain in our southern neighborhoods. But look at this, those wind arrows. It'll be windy, looking at winds 40 to 50 miles per hour on Saturday afternoon with that heavy snowfall moving through the valley, and that hangs on until early Sunday morning. Winds now coming out of the north, but blowing and drifting snow will be a possibility here on Saturday with that heavy snow. So reduced visibilities, difficult travel, if not impossible travel expected on Saturday, but conditions then improve on Sunday. Look at the agreement here between the European model and the American model. This shows that snow, of course, moving in late on Friday with that freezing rain in the southern valley, and then heavy snow moving in with those strong easterly winds. So remarkable agreement, of course, between the American and the European models. So we are fairly confident that there will be locations that see upwards of 12 to 18 inches of snow, mainly west of I-29. Looks like most of us look to pick up about 6 to 12 inches when everything's said and done, except for those folks up north could see 3 to 6 inches because it will be a bit less moisture in our northern neighborhoods. And of course, after everything wraps up Sunday morning, conditions improve on Sunday. So if you can hold off on your travels till later on in the day on Sunday, may be better for you, but then high pressure returns and cooler weather returns for the first part of next week.
All right. Thanks, Nathan.
You bet.